Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up Windows Hello face recognition on Surface Pro 13. In order to do it, you'll need to go to the settings. Later, find Accounts. And now scroll down to Sign In Options. Then you'll find Facial Recognition. For some reason, it says that it's currently unavailable, even though it is. But that's because I don't have a password set. I have a local account, not the Microsoft account. So I'll just set up a password, and I should be able to do it then. Okay, now I have a password set, so let's go to facial recognition. I can now set it up. Let's click on setup. It'll probably, we'll see if it asks me for the pin as well, to set up a pin. For now, not. So I'll need to position my face within the frame and then look directly in the camera. Now it tells me I need to set up a pin. There's a high chance you've already done it during the setup, but if not, it'll ask you for that. You'll need to click on Setup Pin, then enter your current password, and set up a pin to unlock your computer. I'll set basically the same thing as the password. But yeah, feel free to set it to whatever you feel like. Just make sure you'll remember it. Now let's click on OK. And you can enable the option to automatically dismiss the lock screen if Windows recognizes your face. And you can also enhance facial recognition protection, but that may increase sign-in errors. You can also improve recognition to set it up again multiple times. You can do it in different hairstyles, or wearing glasses or not wearing glasses, stuff like that, to make it recognize you in different situations, in different lightings and stuff like that. Now what I'll do is I'll sign out. And now as I look on the device, slide up, it will unlock it for me. Now, in case I lock the device like that and unlock it, I don't even need to slide up because it automatically opens the Windows Hello, and it also I also have it set so that it dismisses the lock screen automatically. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.